Good day and welcome to a new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hello and welcome to Weekly Tips, where I'm putting some sense in your tip jar. So each week I give you a little tip in your scent jar, just give you a little bit of my knowledge. This week I'm discussing to you a bit about the mixer brush. This is a tool you can find down here on the side. Down the bottom in the brushes, you've got brush, pencil, color placement tool, replacement tool, and then you got mixer brush. With the mixer brush, it's a little bit different to using a normal painting brush, because it can be used like in a traditional way where the colors seem to mix. I don't use it an awful lot. I don't seem to paint a lot of things that kind of need it. Like with fur, it would make it really difficult. Same with grass, but there are possibly elements that I have used this before, and I have used it in paintings and things that I've done in the past, so I understand a little bit about it. Obviously it's changed since I used it way back when. But you know, the general gist of what the mixer brush is, I can explain. So it's real easy. Basically, what your mixer brush is, is what I explained before. Is basically, a paintbrush that you mix colors with. So, for instance, so we'll start off with a circle. It can take a little while to load if you're doing like big strokes and you're mixing a lot of colors together and things like that. It can take a bit to process, so we start off with, say, well, you wouldn't want to start off with black, so it's slowly adding in orange. So we're going from black to orange. And this could be, good for getting some tones in. It wouldn't look correct, obviously, but, it would look like if you've done watercolor with charcoal, it would kind of work like that. And yeah, it just mixes in rather than the normal paintbrush with the normal paintbrush. You only have certain elements, opacity and things, so you have to start out with orange, obviously, and then it wouldn't blend it in, it would just like layer it on top. With the mixer brush, it does blend it all together. So if you do have, say, let's make a green, let's say red and orange, sorry, we'll make an orange, a little bit of a red and yellow, it'll make an orange. And yeah, you can, you got to know your basic knowledge about mixing colors and things. And yeah, it's really good tool. It can be good for creating, say, fire or something, just because you can blend in those colors and stuff at the bottom and the top. The oranges, get those oranges in there. Yeah, and it works quite nicely. You can use it in many tools. So this is a little painting that obviously I did. It's a bit brown, but like a bronze thing. But yeah, you can mix in whatever you want, and there's all these other options that these tools have. Obviously, the mixer tool has. So we'll do that again. We'll do the red. And the yellow, and try and make some fire here. If you push, you can push it in, the color in, just like normal paints and things. So yeah, it can be really helpful to. So this is like without the mixer brush tool, and this is with the mixer brush tool. So you can see like the difference. Already, like what you can achieve with the mixer brush tool. So you know, give it a go. Bring it into your painting if you want to. Bring it into your painting, however you want to do it. Um, you know, this is way better than that. You know, as for fire. Um, but yeah, use it. It's a tool that's there. It seems it works way better in the 219 version. I'm using the 219 version. And 220, it's probably even gotten better. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's got all these options now. You've got wet, load, mix right in front of you, and you've got a few options to play around. So you know, find things about it, experiment with it, use it. It's a great little tool to use. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. Feel free to comment down below if you use the mixer brush, what you use it for. If you have any little tips or things about it, I'd love to know. You know, just let me know down below. You know, thanks for joining me, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.